Okay, so now that we have our dry ingredients nice and mixed, we're going to put that aside for a minute. And we're going to take our egg and our milk and we're going to add that to this medium-sized bowl here. And we're going to whisk it for about 2 minutes until it's thick and it's light yellow. So let's add our eggs. Oops. You don't want to get any shells in there. Four. That's five. Let's not make a mess here, and we'll put our eggshells in that bowl. And now we're going to add our milk to the bowl. And now comes the tedious part, whisking it for about 2 minutes. So we're just going to keep whisking that until it's thick and light yellow. We want to make sure that it's mixed thoroughly. Okay, I think we're about done. It's been about 2 minutes. And I see it's light yellow here and it's thick. Okay, well, let's move on to our next step.